Alright, what's up y'all? Real quick before the video starts, I wanted to say all this footage was before my last video. Like, all this footage is a couple weeks old. So you know, in the video, if you see anything different, it's because this is an old video. So yeah, if y'all don't know, I'm Fern Jr. My family owns a job shop. Yeah, we do anything from powder coating paint, wheels, tires, lifts, drops, tint, front end replacements, headlights, taillights. Basically anything you name it, we can do it. To this show we took 8 trucks. Took the white and pink one y'all seen, that's the limited. We took the black single cab, that's mine. We took the white single cab, that's my little brother's. Both of the C10s, the blue ones is my dad's, and the like the mint Tiffany color, I don't know what you'd call it, is my mom's. And y'all know mean green, the green dually with the 2019 front end. And then the King Ranch was there too, that brown F250 on the 26s. And oh yeah, the SRT10, that black SRT10 Dodge Viper Cummins swap that y'all see in this video, that one's our. But yeah guys, I don't want to keep it any longer, so let's get right into the video. Get in there, walk. It's your boy Fern Jr. Basically, I'm just gonna record me building it, you know, everything that I do to it. Alright, so there's a better view. Meditating in the rain, reminiscing about being in prison. I was locked in them chains. Without no dreams, head like off the streets, I can't make a sound. 187, that's that same shit. Fuck that Twitter beef, and you want beef, I pull up when you sleep. Bitch, I'm out there now, hey baby, I come.
Twisted Meltdown.
We got the Twisted Meltdown show. But yeah, that's it. We about to get off, show y'all what's up.
Once again, we don't care how many trophies you've won. We don't care how many magazines you got. Right now, this is a tug of war competition. This competition is going to tell you who runs the streets. Oh. Again. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Best 2 out of 3. Grounded for life versus Ground 0 Team 2. Go! On the count of 3, 2, 1, tug! Grounded for life! Put the spanking on today! Somebody lost their shoes.
Back to back, like the flex, don't break a phone. This shit lead just like a blue. Yeah, your nigga, that my other drop top every summer. Yeah, I'm like the straight up like the good old birds living that.
Back to back. Alright, so we're leaving the show, putting all the whips up. And we brought out 8 trucks, so you know we're putting them up already because it's gonna take a while. But yeah guys, my girl's driving my truck back to the shop for me. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like. It was a short little cool video. We blessed all 2019.
Nigga tryna drill like a boy, yeah. Don't gotta get no award, yeah. Live in the bank, gon' do fraud, yeah. 200 racks on my arm.